on, guys? Definitely lost the first clip to this video. I know, such a bad YouTuber. In this video, I'm going to install the leaf flip kit in C-notch. My first plan was to drop the tank so I can get the bolt out for the leaf spring, but I decided to go a different way, and I'm sure you guys will catch on from there. Okay, change of plans. We don't want to drop the tank. That sucks. So we're gonna keep the shocks on. We're gonna cut the U-bolts, and we're gonna try to swing it so we can get it above the axle here, or the leaf back. So it took both wheels off. I'm about to probably plasma these off and go on from there. We'll just see where it goes. All right, so my camera definitely died, but so far what we're doing is gonna have it hang, and then we're gonna scoot this that way and put it over the leaf. I'm not quite sure if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try it that way. Yeah, we figured we might as well get this side done first because I was able to get to that bolt up there. Like I said, we don't want to drop the tank or nothing. We're gonna see if we don't. We're gonna see if we have to. So we'll go back to time lapse and try to figure this out. Alright, that was a mission, but we finally got the leaf springs on the bottom part of the axle. I'm going to finish up the kit. I got one part going on here. The rest of the parts are down there. I guess we'll go back in the time lapse and get it all done. Alright, C-notch is done. What I did was I bolted two of those, and welded both sides. My buddy did it that way. It's nice and sturdy that way. You get bolts and a good weld in. Same with this side. Bolt, weld. Turned out pretty good. I wouldn't recommend doing this last second. I had all today to do it, but I barely finished. This is just the end of the day, so we'll put its wheels back on as soon as we go put on the filler and see how low it gets. Alright, got everything on. Let's see what it looks like dropped. Oh man. Perfect. Got everything together. Ooh, that exhaust is gross. Now this thing's leaning like crazy. I'm gonna bring down the front with 2-inch drop shaft. Definitely meant drop spindles. And that'll be it. That's what looks for the truck, and then we'll get on to some motor action. But until next time, guys, have a good night. Definitely don't do this last second, because I took the day to do it, and it took just about all day, and it was stressful because I got work tomorrow. So have a good one.